Pat, we got to talk about this. A mysterious boom. Has a lot of people talking around our area today.
And NASA has just confirmed it was a meteor. Take a look at this video. This is from Lakewood, New Jersey. This man told us he was working in his office around 11:15 this morning when he spotted something in the sky. Listen to him explain it.
Just caught my eye. I saw a fireball just streaming through the sky. I couldn't believe it. I got up. I'm looking like this for about 3 seconds.
Imagine looking up at the sky on a bright summer day, only to witness a dazzling fireball streaking across the heavens. On July 17, 2023, this extraordinary event unfolded over one of the most densely populated areas in the world, New York City. A blinding flash followed by a thunderous boom left millions of residents stunned and scrambling for answers. Join us as we delve into the mystery of the daylight fireball over NYC, exploring the science, the eyewitness accounts, and the implications of this rare celestial phenomenon. Stay tuned as we unravel the enigma that has captured the imagination of millions. Meteors, often called shooting stars, are fragments of asteroids and comets. These fragments enter the Earth's atmosphere at high speeds. This creates a fiery streak across the sky, a captivating sight that has fascinated humankind for millennia. On a seemingly ordinary summer day, the skies above the bustling metropolis of New York City and its neighboring states, New Jersey and Connecticut, were illuminated by an extraordinary celestial event. This event, however, was not just a visual spectacle. It was accompanied by a sonic boom that shook buildings and rattled nerves, leaving many residents bewildered and searching for answers. The incident sparked widespread speculation and a flurry of social media activity as people attempted to make sense of the unexpected disturbance. So what's the difference between an asteroid and a meteor? Though they can be sources of meteors, asteroids are not meteors. They are separate small bodies in the solar system. Asteroids supply meteor material through collisions, which scatter bits of their rock throughout space. Comets can also generate meteors by spreading trails of rock and dust as they orbit the sun. When Earth's orbit intersects the orbits of comet trails or asteroid debris, those bits of space material can get swept up. That's when they start the fiery trip through our atmosphere, vaporizing as they go. If anything survives to reach the ground, that's when they become meteorites. Amidst the swirling vortex of speculation and uncertainty, the voice of scientific authority emerged to shed light on the mysterious event. NASA's Meteor Watch, a program dedicated to tracking and studying meteors, confirmed that the source of the commotion was indeed a daylight fireball. According to their analysis, the fireball blazed across the sky at approximately 11:17 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, its fiery passage captured in numerous eyewitness videos and reports. The confirmation from NASA brought a sense of relief to many, replacing fear and uncertainty with awe and wonder. The event served as a potent reminder of the vastness of space and the incredible celestial phenomena that occasionally grace our planet. You may be wondering if meteor is rare. Contrary to your belief, they are not. Every year, the Earth is hit by about 6,100 meteors large enough to reach the ground, or about 17 every day. The vast majority fall unnoticed in uninhabited areas. Experts estimate that between 10 and 50 meteorites fall every day, according to the American Meteor Society. While large impacts are fairly rare, thousands of tiny pieces of space rock, called meteorites, hit the ground each year. When a meteoroid, a small rocky or metallic object in space, enters the Earth's atmosphere and survives the fiery descent to reach the ground, it is known as a meteorite. The intense heat and pressure generated by atmospheric friction often cause smaller meteors to completely disintegrate before they reach the ground. In essence, they burn up in the atmosphere, leaving behind nothing but a trail of cosmic dust. NASA Meteor Watch said the meteor originated over New York City and moved west towards New Jersey at a speed of 38,000 miles per hour, based on the eyewitness reports. However, NASA stressed that it is important to note that the trajectory was very crude and uncertain, given that there was no camera or satellite data available to refine the solution. The daylight fireball that illuminated the skies above New York and New Jersey was more than just a fleeting celestial spectacle. It was a powerful reminder of our planet's place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. It was a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe, a place of both breathtaking beauty and awe-inspiring power.